Guys, welcome back to my channel. We're back with another editing tutorial. So guys, if you're interested in learning how to clone yourself in a video, then you are in the right channel. For in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to clone yourself in a video. So don't forget to follow this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share and comment. Tell me what you think about it. Did you learn a lot? And don't forget to follow. Do you know why I say you should follow? Because in this channel, I'm going to be posting more about editing. So in this channel, I'm going to help you up your editing game. So if you know that editing has always been an issue or a problem and that's why you don't post online, that's why you find it difficult to post videos, then you're in the right channel, because I'm going to teach you different styles of editing, mainly how to clone yourself in a video, and also you're going to be learning a lot subsequently. So that's the more reason why you have to follow this channel, and also like this video, share to other viewers out there so that they can be able to learn as well. So before much talk, let's get right into it.
So guys, the first thing you want to do is to make a plan. So before I started making this video, I already had a plan. So what is going to be that plan? You're going to check and then know the amount of distance, like the distance that's going to be between you and your clone. And also you're going to, you must have known what you want to say in the video. You must have planned out how you want it to be like, how you want it to look like, and then the distance that's going to be between you and your clone, and then what your clone is going to say and all that. So you must have made that plan and then kept it aside. So after that, the next thing you want to do, okay, just watch closely.
Hi guys, welcome.
If you were to watch closely, you see there are parts where I went to pause the camera, right? There are parts where I had to go and pause the camera. So I'm going to show you how to remove those parts. So let's start afresh. So the first thing you want to do is to check.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
So if you look closely, this was where I turned to the wall, right? I turned to this other part, this other side of the place, right? And then it felt as if I was looking at something there. So at this point where I turned, I'm going to split it that point. So I'm going to split it at this point where I turned, and then after splitting it there, I'm going to go and look for the end of that particular part. So let's see, this is the ending part, right? So this was where it ended before I started the one for the clone. So I'm going to split this side as well. So after splitting it, the next thing I like to do is to go to so this one is the video for the clone, right? The clone video. So this was where this one ended. Let's see where it ended. So it ended here before I went to pause the camera, right? So we're going to split it here as well. So after splitting it there, we're going to click on this video and then you look for overlay. So this is just how I like to do mine, right? And it's very easy. So you look for overlay and then you click on the overlay. It's going to come down like this, right? So we'll take it directly under. So we'll take it directly under the beginning of the other one where I face that side. So directly under it. So as you can see, it's directly under it already, right? And then this remaining part, we don't need it. This remaining part of the video, we don't need it. As you can see, the clone video is just little, like it's not much, it's not as long as this remaining part. So we are just going to click on split. So you're going to click on split. After clicking on split, you delete that part. So let's see
tutorials.
So you see, I've deleted that part, and then this other part was where I went to pause the camera. So I'm going to split that one and delete it as well. So when I went to pause the camera, I came back and then stood that same port as if I was still looking at that place, right? Before I now turned to the camera. So I'm going to split it at this part where I was still looking at that side, right? So I'm going to split it. So after splitting it, I don't need this remaining part because this was where I went to pause the camera. So I'm going to delete this part, right? So let's see what we have here.
So guys, if you're interested
so as it is now, it's not making any sense, right? But as we move further, you see that it's making sense. It's actually making sense. So if you take a close look at this video, right, you see that the overlay has overshadowed the main video. Like this main video is no longer showing. It is now this overlay that is showing. Do you see?
We're back with another.
It is only this one that is showing. So to make this other one show as well, what we're going to do is to click on. So we'll click on this overlay, right? After clicking on the overlay, you see splice, volume, animations, and so on. So you click on splice. So after clicking on splice, what you want to do is to reduce this thing. So you're going to reduce it. So watch closely. As I'm reducing it, the other one is fading, it's gradually fading. So you're not going to reduce it completely, right? Because we want to have the both. So you're just going to reduce it a little. So I think this is okay, right? So let's go back. And then after that, you search for mask. So you look for mask. So let's look for it. You look for mask. Where is it? Okay, look at mask. is in between these duplicates and extract video, right? So we are going to click on mask. So after clicking on mask, you click on horizontal. So let's click on horizontal, right? So after clicking on this horizontal, you are going to turn it. So you're going to turn it. Mind you, are not supposed to turn it this way. Oh no, you are going to turn it this way, and then make sure it's at an angle of 90 degrees. So is it 90 degrees yet? It's not 90 degrees. So you're going to make sure it's at an angle of, so let's see, I think it's 90 degrees. Let me see. So this should be 90 degrees, right? So when you look closely, you see there's something like an arrow pointing towards this side. So it's not even necessary, but let's just bring it closer anyways. So after that being done, you click on good, and then you go back to splice. Yes, you go back to splice. So let's look for that splice one more time. So you go back to splice, you click on the splice, and then you increase it this time around. So do you see it has become bright, right? When you increase it in the splice, it becomes brighter. So let's see what we have here.
Welcome back to my channel. We're back with another editing tutorial.
So as you can see, they are both showing now. Both the clone and the main video is now showing. So the next thing you want to do, no one really wants a boring video. You wouldn't want to finish editing your video and to turn out boring, because after all, the main essence of editing is to spice up the video, is to give it a very good and unique however or whatever. So let's make this unique. Let's make it exceptional. So what you want to do to add more, to add more things to your video, to make it interesting, so you go to these animations. So look at this part. You see animation splice just close to this splice, right? You see animations. You click on the animations, right? So after clicking on the animations, different things will come out. So as you can see, they are different. You can choose anyone actually. So they are different. So you can choose anyone. So but for here, I think I'll go for, I don't even know what to go for. Okay, let's see this zoom out. So let's see what zoom out looks like.
It's another editing tutorial.
So let's go for the zoom out, right? So let's see.
Back to my channel. We're back with another editing tutorial.
So did you see the zoom out? So let's put another zoom out somewhere here as well. So let's put it here as well. So you can choose anything. It's depending on you. So it's a thing of choice, right? So after doing that, let's add sound to it to just make it interesting, right? So to add sound to this, you click on audio. So after clicking on audio, you see sounds, brown music, copyright, sound FX. So you click on sound FX. So after clicking on sound FX, it's going to show you different options. So for this, I like to use swish. So let's look for that. So you could choose anyone, like anyone is okay, right? Anyone is actually okay. So for this, let me use this swish. So let's see. So let's see what it looks like.
Back to my channel. We're back with another editing
So did you finish? So let's make another one here as well. So just a little space before the end part, and then let's put another effect, another sound fix. So let's put that same switch there as well. This is just to spice up the video, because you cannot be editing a video and then it's still boring, and then it's boring after the whole editing stuff, right? So let's look for switch. Where are you? You're wasting time. So let's add it there, right? So let's see what it looks like now.
Back to my channel. We're back with another editing tutorials.
So did you see? So at this point now, this other point now, what I'm going to do, I don't like the way it's slow like this. So I don't like the way it's that slow. So what I'm going to do is to increase the speed. So you can decide to increase the speed of your video if you don't want it slow. So let's see what it looks like now.
So guys, if you're interested in learning,
and also you can decide to add, maybe you can decide to add whatever you want to add, but this is just how it's supposed to be, right? Just to spice up the video. And lest I forget, right, when you go back to that, when you go back to your, okay, let me go back to it, right? When you go back to this video where you made the clone and I forgot to include this, but mind you, when you go back to this video, right, looking at the both backgrounds, you see that the background of the both videos are not the same. Like one is darker and one is clearer. So we are going to make the one of the overlay, like the one that was used as the overlay, which is the clone, we're going to make it brighter because it's darker. So what you're going to do is to go to adjust. So let's go to adjust. You're going to click on adjust, and then after clicking on this adjust, you look for highlights. So you look for highlights, so you click on highlights, then increase it. So did you see it's now becoming bright? And you could also do this for the main video if you want that one as well. If you want it that bright, you could also, all you need to do is to just click on adjust and then go to highlights again and then increase the lights. Do you see? not too much light, so just here and there, just be here and there. So that's that. So let's see what it now looks like. So
hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're back with another editing tutorial. So guys,
so I feel like I don't like this part. So if you do not like this, so I don't like this part, right? I want it faster, so let's delete this part and see what it will look like
in tutorials. So guys, if you're interested in learning,
you see it's better now, so let's see.
We're back with another editing tutorials. So guys, if you're interested in learning how to clone yourself in a video,
so this is just a very simple trick on how to clone yourself in a video. So guys, if you found this video interesting, don't forget to give me a like, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and comment, and tell me what you would like to learn next, and I will consider it definitely. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to tell me what you would like to see next on this channel, because I'm here for you on it 247. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.